Welcome back to the Cheap Ebooks channel, your go-to source for absolutely vital yet totally affordable medical knowledge. Today, we're bringing you an incredible new explainer. So, if you're a medical student, a surgical resident, or honestly just someone who's completely fascinated by the cutting-edge intersection of technology and healthcare, you are in for a real treat. We are taking a deep dive into the book 3D Printing, Applications in Medicine and Surgery, and looking at how the very future of medicine is literally being printed, layer by layer. So, how exactly is 3D printing changing modern surgery? Well, let's explore this groundbreaking first edition Elsevier publication by Drs. Tsoulfas, Bangeas, and Suri. Think about it. For decades, surgeons have basically had to rely on flat, two-dimensional imaging to prepare for incredibly complex, three-dimensional problems, right? Well, this book provides a comprehensive roadmap for how additive manufacturing is bridging that gap and actively transforming the operating room as we speak. But hey, before we get into the really cool science, let's talk about the economics of medical education for a second. The original price for this premium 165-page medical text was nearly $90. But right here on Cheap Ebooks, we're offering this exact same rigorous, peer-reviewed Elsevier content for just $8.99. It's a price point that honestly just completely changes the game for accessibility. That is a staggering 90% discount, and that aligns perfectly with our core mission here. Your geographical location or financial constraints should never, ever be a barrier to vital scientific knowledge. We want to empower students, doctors, and researchers everywhere to build world-class digital libraries without breaking the bank. Now, getting back to the book. The core goal here isn't just to give you some dry history lesson on 3D printing. It's all about actionable guidance. It takes you by the hand from your very first evaluation of the technology all the way to actively applying it in today's surgical practice. They even touch on virtual reality, which is super cool. So, how does a patient's scan actually become a physical object? Obviously, it's not just pushing a print button on your computer. It starts with your standard CT and MRI images. Then comes the really complex, intensive processing required to isolate specific anatomical structures. It's like meticulously separating delicate blood vessels from the surrounding tissue on a screen before you can finally generate that tangible 3D model. And these printed models are now being applied across almost every complex surgical specialty you can think of. Take liver transplantation, for example, where visualizing vessel anatomy is literally a matter of life or death. Or cardiac surgery, where intricate plumbing can be mapped out in a physical model you can hold right in the palm of your hand. 3D printing is definitely no longer a niche tool. It is a multidisciplinary revolution. Beyond just preoperative planning, this is radically changing medical education as a whole. Just think about the stress reduction for a young surgeon. Instead of learning solely on cadavers or generic plastics, surgical residents can now practice a highly specific procedure on a one-to-one exact 3D replica of their actual patient's anatomy well before making a single real incision. Practice makes perfect, right? Especially when the practice model is identical to the patient. In orthopedics and ENT, we are moving far, far beyond simple anatomic models. We're entering the realm of patient-specific implants, custom orthotics, and incredibly, the absolute cutting-edge frontier of tissue engineering and bioprinting. We're talking about the foundation for literally printing biological tissues. It's essentially science fiction becoming science fact right before our eyes. Okay, but you can't just introduce revolutionary tech without rules, right? We have to tackle the intense realities surrounding medical bioprinting. That means strict quality assurance, navigating really complex EU regulations for products, and weighing the massive ethical and legal considerations of manufacturing custom implants right inside a hospital. It's a lot to consider. And of course, actually, let's be real, it's not all seamless science fiction magic quite yet. There are very real hurdles we face today that act as friction holding this future back. Creating these models requires expensive computer-aided design software and heavy production costs. Plus, there are ongoing debates about material strength and long-term durability inside the human body. Which brings us right back to why we do what we do here. This 2019 Elsevier First Edition is perfectly formatted, fully searchable, and a super lightweight 7.26 megabytes. It is an absolute must-have for your digital library. Whether you are prepping for the boards, managing a surgical department, or writing a research paper, having instant access to this level of expertise for just $8.99 is a brilliant career investment that's simply invaluable. So, I'll leave you with this final provocative thought. With the rapid advancements in bioprinting and patient-specific models, will 3D printing completely replace traditional cadaver labs in the next decade? To find the answers and dive into this medical marvel yourself, be sure to purchase the book via the secure link down in the video description. And as always, if you have the means, we absolutely encourage buying physical copies to support the authors. If you found this explainer helpful, please hit that like button, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe to the Cheap Ebooks channel for more fantastic, affordable medical insights. See you next time.